Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is KeturahK, for those of you that don't know, which is probably plenty of you that don't know. But today I want to do a really fun video with you. It is a cute, tiny little unboxing haul of this right here. FabFitFun. Why FabFitFun? Just because I thought this would be a really fun unboxing haul for us to see, and why not? I love this brand so far. It's my second box for the season, so this is summer. I got a spring box last season, spring, and I thought it'd be really fun to just share with you guys and just show you things as I'm experiencing them as well. My first time, my first go unboxing and seeing what's in here. So let's start. First thing I wanted to show you guys is this cute little HelloFresh, like $80 off card here that they give us to use. Basically, it's $20 off our first 4 deliveries, which means that I'm guessing it's a discounted price. I've never actually used HelloFresh before, but I believe it is a discounted price. And we have to claim it within 30 days whenever we do use this, so that's fun. The second thing that they do give us is a family friend sun seat in FabFitFun, which is really cute. And there's like a little tiny code in the back that you can redeem. And you get to give someone a $15 FabFitFun box, which would actually be smaller in size. But yeah, it is a $15 off your first FabFitFun box that you can give to your friends or someone that you feel deserves some summer fun. So best believe I will be giving this to a friend of mine or family, or maybe even to you guys to use. So see what happens there. Woo! Okay. The third thing that's in this box, which I find very helpful, especially for anyone that wants to know a little bit more about their product that they are receiving in this beautiful subscription box here, is actually the FabFitFun magazine. This season they have Eva Longoria on the cover, who I love. Last season was my girl Serena Williams doing it for the chocolate girls out there. But yes, it is Eva Longoria. I love her to bits and pieces. The thing that I find very helpful in here, again, just like little tiny articles that you can read through. But the thing that I love most is that it actually describes and tells you what's inside the box. And even if you didn't get these items in the box, or you didn't receive these items, you still get to just look at them, know what they are, and you can probably just find them and order them yourself if you really want them online. Like if I see something in here that I really like, I'm just gonna go and order it online, or if FabFitFun is selling it, I'm gonna do that as well. They also have like a little beauty page as well, and you know, they tell you more about things. So they have like a little charity. They're creating hashtag Better Tomorrow together, which I definitely want to get more into, like charity work and stuff like that, and just donating and being able to like just do more good CSR, even though I'm not a corporation, but just having some type of like consumer responsibility and just being more involved and like donating and giving back, right? They also have FabFitFun TV, so the items that you do get in the box, depending on what there is, there's always like a little FabFitFun TV that you can actually watch and learn how to make these things, which I find really cool. So you'll see what I have, how it like refers to this. So there's cooking, fitness, inside your box, so depending on what it is that's inside your box, lifestyle in general, because who doesn't like watching a cool lifestyle video and just learning more about different ways which you can have, like, you know, relaxation and just a mental health thing, and also just more stuff about beauty. I also forgot to mention, you guys, I'm so sorry. So FabFitFun is a subscription. Okay, it's for every season, so it's fall, winter, or I like to say autumn. So autumn, winter, spring, and summer. So you get 4 boxes for each season, and it's only $50 or $49.99. And you get things that are worth over $200 in each box. So why not? You know what I'm saying? Why not spend $50 to get things over $200? Or would you just rather spend the $200 to just not have any more coins in your pocket? It's like fully like going into your pocket, snatching that $200 and just spending it, or just going into your little purse, taking out that $50 and then getting things worth over $200. I'll take the $50 for $500, please. So the first thing that I wanted to show you guys that was outside of this box that I did get is, sorry about that. It's this 111 skin. Sorry, this is like rose gold, so like, but it's the 111 Skin Harley Street, London Rose Gold Brightening Facial Treatment Mask. Okay, so there's 5 of these bad boys in here. I'm so sorry about the reflection from the light. But there are 5 of these masks inside of this packaging, and I'm gonna open up the magazine to see what it says about it. Okay, what is it telling me? It says all that glitter is gold. Yes, it is. And it's saying here that this decadent treatment mask is no exception. It features a 24-karat gold and Rosa Domestica extract to brighten, soothe, and hydrate your skin. I need that. And this is worth $160. So, I mean, $50 worth over $200 products. And this is a full-size product too. That's one thing I love about FabFitFun box. They give you full-size products. So that's the first thing I want to show you guys. Second thing I want to show you guys, because you know your girl is going to be needing it. It's summertime, it's hot, I wear sandals. I let the toes come out, the dogs come out. Of course, they're always painted, they never look crazy, but I do let them come out. I have this exfoliating foot mask by Wish. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, and I'm so sorry if I am not. This is what it looks like. Wish. I'm just trying to get the camera to focus more, but I feel like it's not because it's a reflective packaging. So I'll just take it out and see if it does it here. Still doesn't. So sorry about that, you guys. But it is a coconut milk and verbena exfoliating foot mask. Can't speak. That smooths and softens intense hydration. Okay, it's paraben free, sulfate free, phthalate free, DEA and T free, petrochemical free, cruelty free, and Leaping Bunny certified. I always love products that don't test out on animals, so I'm actually really happy that they don't harm any animals during the process of making this actual product. But it does exfoliate, polish, soothe, and smooth those feet of yours. So if you want to go out there with some nice smooth looking feet and them sandals, okay, you're going to use this. You're going to exfoliate your feet. You're going to be serving them soft, smooth skin on your feet, okay? You're going to be serving them hydrated heels, okay? Hydrated heels. Not dry, crusty heels. Hydrated heels, okay? This product here, it costs $32, okay? The next thing that I want to share with you guys is Generation Clay. Okay, Generation Clay Brightening Purple Clay Mask. Okay, so what does this do? This is packed with Davison Plum. The purple mask works to rejuvenate dull skin and boost hydration. So it's all about hydration for this one. It refines, brightens, illuminates, and nurtures your skin. I'm really excited to use this. Even though I have extremely oily skin, I always still like to just have something that will moisturize my skin, especially in the winter months as well. Moisture is very important because even though in spring and summer and autumn I have very oily skin, in the winter my skin tends to get really dry and it starts to peel. It's just not nice. So that's what I have here. The next thing that I got is Living Proof Nourishing Styling Cream stops frizz, and lightly conditions. This is the packaging here. I'm gonna figure out this whole focusing thing, you guys, I promise. But this baby, okay, this right here, it soothes, smooths, conditions, and blocks humidity without weighing your hair down, which is something that I definitely need, as you can see here. I dyed the ends of my hair pink this past Saturday, which is really cool, but when you have natural hair and you have thick hair like mine that drinks moisture, you need stuff like this, okay? You need to restore that moisture. You need to fight the frizz and fight the humidity when it decides to rain and gets really hot and your hair starts to balloon up. So your girl's definitely gonna be using this, and I will let you know how this works in my hair, okay? The next thing I got here, which I already opened the packaging, but it is the KeturahK SPF Makeup Setting Spray. It contains 70% plus organic ingredients, and it's broad spectrum SPF 30. Okay. Of course, it is cruelty free. It's vegan, recyclable, water and sweat resistant, farm to face, all that stuff on the side of the packaging here. I don't know what's going on. I'm just gonna stop trying to do that focusing stuff because it's not gonna work for right now. But this is what the packaging looks like. This is the liquid inside. Ooh. There's like little little metal balls in here. You hear that? That's cool. I guess you shake it up before you use it. I have used KeturahK before in the past, and I used to get Ipsy Girl in the past. And whenever I did try KeturahK, their SPF, it always left like this grayish veil, is what I like to call it, a veil over my face. And of course, being darker skin tone, that was not cute. It wasn't, because people would be like, what's up with your skin? Are you dry? Are you ashy? Like, what's going on? And it's like, no, it's just sunblock. Just because no one ever really thinks about other shades and the needs that we may need or have when it comes down to having sunblock and sun protection. But I will try, since it is a makeup setting spray. I do use Urban Decay, but I'll give this a whiz. I'll give it a little twirl and see how it goes, and I'll let you guys know how it does, if I like it or not for the summer, my summer faves, right? The next thing I got in this box is Spray All Day by Grace and Stella Rose Spray. So it's a rose hydrating spray, which I find really cool. It's basically to just refresh the skin throughout the day. And yeah, it just leaves your face fresh and moisturized. I'm really excited to use this. This is $25.95. I've been seeing Grace and Stella all over my social media feed. And it's just been like everywhere. So I'm really excited to use this, and I'll definitely let you guys know how this goes. Even though I do have very sensitive skin, so I am kind of scared about the rose, and I don't know if it is scented or fragrant. If it is, it may break me out. If it isn't, then I'll use it. The next thing that I want to show you guys that came in this box is this silicone wine glasses, set of 2. And they're pink. I'm not saying that pink is my favorite color, but they're pink. They're super cute, and there's 2 of them. Like, who would... You can go to Central Park with this and have a glass of wine during a picnic, or even like front like you have in wine and just drink water out of this, depending on whatever you want to do. That's what I got, and this is the packaging it came in for you to travel with, which I find really cute. Ooh, that's the next thing I wanted to show you guys. Was that it? I feel like, oh, there was one more thing. And this is by Spiritual Gangsta. Spiritual Gangsta sent me a little kimono right here. Little kimono, which I find to be super cute. Okay. So your girl's definitely gonna be wearing this. Wraps up. You know, there's pockets. So it's very, very, very functional out here. Wrap this up. I don't even know how you would wrap it up, but this is cute. It even looks cute with the dress I'm wearing today.
Oh wait, I
don't know, I'll make this a whole little outfit.
Your balls. Okay.
And yeah, I forgot about one more thing. It's an Bobble. They sent me clear and blonde. Sometimes it sucks that they usually send like colors like blonde hair ties. I have black hair, and if you take a survey and a quiz about like your skin color and like what color you are and all the other stuff, and they still send you stuff like this, it's kind of like but I'll definitely use like the white one. Yeah, that was about it. Every single thing that I did show you guys in this video, I definitely will be putting everything down below in the description box. In the description box, and that way you guys are able to shop and view the product yourself. Also, if you are looking on my homepage and you see above there's no banner, don't worry about that. It is coming very soon. I'm recreating a new banner, and I'm also having slight technical difficulties with uploading the banner itself onto YouTube, but hopefully that should be fixed within the next week or so. So fingers crossed that works out. But yeah, please like, comment, and subscribe to this channel if you want to see more or hear more from me. I'll definitely be uploading more videos. There's more to come. So thank you so much for watching, you guys. Thanks. Peace out. Bye.